Guys, please give me the confirmation so that I can continue. Otherwise, we need to wait. Anyone able to listen my voice, please? Basha, are you able to listen my voice? Please let me know in the chat window. Okay, thank you. Thank you, guys. Are able to means sorry for today. I don't know what is Zoom. I guess Zoom is giving the issues. So please, guys, if you are able to listen voice, okay. Now it's okay. Thank you, guys. So today we are discussing about the name. Let right now breaking. What is it breaking still? Is it breaking? Okay, thank you, guys. Let's continue. I guess it is fine now. So observe what is the attribute we are using ng model. That is why we are using the one. Suppose think about a very big form, a very big form. So at the time I have hundreds of fields or not. Now at the time, if I have a bank application form, if I have a bank application form, at the time, how many fields will be there? So many. How many fields will be there? So many. At the time, what I need to do? At the time, what I need to do? I need to define those many variables in the component class also. It will look clumsy in the component or not? Do you agree with me that line or the statement? Yes, sir. So the problem is what? If I have a form, in the form there are so many fields. At the time, what is the problem with this things? I may have multiple fields will be there. So at the time, our form look clumsy. That is why we need to go with what is the answer? A model class. We need to go with what's a model class. So let me copy this example so that you can also practice in your free time. This is a first one. May 26th forms. So what is the best way, sir? Let me show you the best way. Very simple. I am going to create, I am capturing what data, sir? Student.ts. That is why student.ts. Observe export class. What is the class we are having, sir? Student. What is the class I am going to write? Student. Observe what are the fields we are having, sir? ID, number, and in the same way, name. What is the one, sir? String. And I can have other field also. What is the one, sir? Email. It is also what, sir? String. Now observe in the component, create the object as equal to new student. New student. Now properly I imported. Now observe here I will write code. What is the variable name I am having, sir? S. Now observe at the time what is the binding I am going to use? S dot id. And what is the one, sir? S dot name. Now observe with this definition I can automatically export my entire form as a student data or not? I'm able to export what, sir? All the student data from one form into one object. Into one object. So what is the advantage with this kind of design? What is the advantage with this kind of design? I am asking one simple question. Finally, this data need to reach what's a server program. Right now all companies are developing server programs in the REST way. So understand, all server programs all server programs are designed in REST way. REST design. So what is the answer? REST way. Now I am asking, in the REST, how server program accept? What is the data format of the server program? What is the data format, sir? JSON. Very good. What is the data format, sir? JSON. Very good, guys. Very good. So right now, I want to transfer the data from where to where? From the client program to the server program. I want to transfer the data from where to where? Client program to the server program. In what format, sir? JSON. What is the abbreviation of the JSON? JSON is nothing but JavaScript object notation. That is what we are doing. This is a best practice everyone need to follow. This is the best practice everyone need to follow. Observe what is the advantage. Let me show you. JSON dot parse, sorry, stringify. It is nothing but convert the data into the string so that we can see the content. So everything is ready. Now let me go and let me do this one. 1 comma s1. See, you can observe what is the answer, the format. You can get the data. Now tell me, what is the advantage with this kind of design? Even though your fields, it means your form may contains hundreds of fields, even though your form may contain hundreds of fields, all your data is automatically come to where is a component without any look. Means in the same way, what is the advantage with this kind of design? In the future, I added a new field. Now tell me, what is the next thing I need to do? Now observe here, I'm going to configure what's a email. Now observe here, what is the code I need to configure? s.email s1 f12 with with very less configuration. You are able to send what data from component to, means from the UI to the component. So with less configuration. Now tell me, it is a best practice we use every day in our real time or not? That is what, sir, unnecessary storing the variables and sending to the server side. It is not the right way, sir. What is the best way? Create one or design your model class. So this is what you need to practice today. So guys, what are the two things we learned today? How to configure the data. What is the first one? Data binding. Property approach, object approach. Which one is good? Property approach or object approach? Property approach or object approach is good, buddy? Object approach is always good. Why? Because our server program accept the data in what format? JSON format. That is why we automatically do this one. Now some of you are asking this question, what is the one, what is this one, sir? JSON dot stringify. JSON dot stringify. This is the purpose. This is used for converting the data, means converting your object into the readable string format. S1. Yes, it is already doing. Yes, yes, Sheikh, as Basha, like two strings in the Java. So this is the way we are going to do. So let me create the whole example once again. Very simple. Observe what is the steps. What is the attribute we are using? Ng model. Why I am using the Ng model? It is Angular provided data binding related thing. Now that is why we are doing. When I am using the Ng model, we always need to import what's a forms module. Ng model equal to ng model equal to, we need to provide the data binding related one. So this is what we need to write for each and everything. Don't think that it is only used for input fields. It can be used for select fields. It can be used for the text area also. It can be used for the text area also. That is fine. S dot id, and in the same way s dot name, and in the same way s dot email. So everything is ready. Now observe, I am about to write what is the next one, sir? Country. Country is also what, sir? String. Description about him. What is the one, sir? String. Now very simple one. What is the code we are going to configure here? Country. Country is nothing but what is the one, sir? Select. In the select we are going to have what, sir? Option. Option equal to what? India. Sir, it is not a rocket science. I am just writing the code. So please follow. Here, what is the one? USA, as well as we are having UK and other. Now observe, here also I need to configure the one. What is the one, sir? ng model. So whatever the user selection, automatically I need to move into s dot, what is the one, sir? Country. And in the same way, tell us about you. So it is nothing but not a single line answer. It is definitely a multi-line answer. So at that time, I'm going to create what's a text area. Now for this one also, what is the one I'm going to configure? ng model. So observe ng model equal to, what is the one? Description. So everything is ready. Let us test this program. Oh, sorry. Observe one, S1, Gmail. So everything is ready. Let me click on the save button. Sorry guys, it is expecting some name attribute also because it is the standard practice. What is the one we are going to configure? Country. In Angular, it is must to have a name attribute. So observe, what is the one? One S1 S1 at the rate gmail.com. Let us have the value. I love. See, sir, you are able to get the ID, name, email, as well as what's the country, as well as what's the description. So in this way, I can access the data from form to component, from the form to component. So think about this point. ng model is applicable for all the fields. ng model is applicable for all the fields. So what is ng model is applicable for all the fields in the brackets. What are the fields? Input field. as well as what select field, as well as what text area. So my suggestion is today practice this example, practice this example from end to end, means to, so that you can easily do the programming. So my suggestion is create a some simple registration form and verify how you are going to send the data, how you are going to send the data. Okay guys, do this one. And this internet connection, I guess it is coming again. So guys, tomorrow we can meet at the same time. Sorry for the today as well as yesterday. Yesterday actually I am driving from my hometown to Hyderabad, that is why I'm unable to pick means intimate you. So tomorrow we can meet at the same time. Thank you guys. And tomorrow I guess I will fix that internet issue, or I guess it is a Zoom issue, voice related thing. So we can meet tomorrow at the same time. Thank you guys. And if you complete today example and share me the uh, complete snapshot so that I can verify. Okay, thank you. Thank you. Thank you, Reddy. We can meet it tomorrow.